Hello, and welcome back to our Scrum Study course on A Guide to the Scrum Body of Knowledge, the SBOK Guide. How do you feel about your learning so far? With every session, we hope that your Scrum learning curve is getting better. We've designed in some repetition of important concepts and terms, and have provided charts, tables, and diagrams that help many students visualize what they are learning. Let's briefly recap some of what we have seen so far in Scrum. Up until now in our journey, we have seen a rather extensive introduction to Scrum as a framework and have discussed the principles governing Scrum. Moving on in this module, we will be discussing the various facets of Scrum project organization, which includes the core and non-core roles in Scrum and how to form high-performance Scrum teams. According to the definition given by A Guide to the Scrum Body of Knowledge, Scrum organization is applicable to various industry verticals such as portfolios, programs, and projects in any industry. Products, services, any other results delivered to stakeholders, and projects of any size or complexity. With an application this broad, it's helpful to recognize how the SBOK defines the term product. The term product may refer not just to a product, but also to a service or other deliverable. The scalability of Scrum is such that it can be applied effectively to any project in any industry, be it a small project with teams of 6 members, or a large, complex project with up to several hundred team members. This module presents a section on each of the following: Scrum project roles, which include all the key core and non-core roles associated with a Scrum project, the product owner, which highlights the key responsibilities of the product owner, the Scrum Master, which focuses on the key responsibilities of the Scrum Master, the Scrum Team, which emphasizes the key responsibilities of the Scrum Team, Scrum in projects, programs, and portfolios, which focuses on how the Scrum framework can be tailored and used in the different context of programs and portfolios. It also highlights the specific responsibilities of the Scrum team members in relation to communication, integration, and working with the corporate and program management teams. Responsibilities, which describes the role-specific responsibilities relevant to the organization's aspects for everyone working on a project. Scrum versus traditional project management, which explains the key organizational differences and advantages of the Scrum model in relation to the traditional waterfall model of project management. And popular HR theories and their relevance to Scrum, which contains some of the most popular HR theories useful for all the members in the Scrum core team. Because of its scalability, any organization can use Scrum to excel as the best product development and management organization across the globe. A Guide to the Scrum Body of Knowledge can help you get there. This concludes our introduction to Module 3, Scrum Organization. I look forward to our next session. Until then, goodbye, and thank you for learning with us.